Mistral AI has recently released updates to its Chat offering, which comes with many features rarely found collectively on a free plan from competitors, including web search, canvas for artifacts, image generation, document understanding, and more. This chat is based on its Pixel large model. It comes at the top of MMMT bench, which tests models' multimodal capabilities, and it's very competitive on other benchmarks as well. So let's take it for a spin. Once you log into your account, you're greeted with this interface. We're going to test its canvas with code generation and image generation, and we're going to try to do a web search and see how it performs. I have prepared a simple prompt to do some code generation, asking it to write a JS function to parse floats, don't use any built-ins, and handle all kinds of floats, because we have floats with decimal points and others with scientific notation. Now it's doing its generation with a fairly fast generation speed, and my function is being prepared. It seems to be doing a pretty good job handling the periods and exponents, and now writing the tests. Okay, one thing I'm going to do is copy this code and test it in my JavaScript console and see what the tests give us. Seems pretty accurate to me. For the next test, I'm going to ask it to generate a to-do app in React. Click New Chat, and before I start, I need to click on Canvas so that it knows I want to generate an artifact. Create a to-do app in React. Okay, it's working, and now I have a split view similar to Claude's artifacts. It's working. Once it's done, it should give me a preview. I have this eye, and I can test it, add, and I can add tasks, and hopefully I can delete, and it works. Now let's ask it to add edit functionality. Still generating. Okay, let's give it a test. I can edit and save, add another one. Okay. Now let's ask it to give it a modern design. Okay, it's refactoring my code and encountering errors along the way because it's trying to preview while it's still editing code. This is pretty slow. Okay, not bad, not bad. If it can stop flickering. Okay, let's add 1, 2. I'd say not bad, yeah. It's not V0, but we can work with it. And if you want to export it, you can either click the copy button or click this share icon that gives you the option to export it as a TSX file. The next test would be about search. I'm going to ask it to give me the latest research about AI usage in genomics. As of October 2023. I don't want October 2023. I think I should have selected web search before I start. Let's start again. Now it's searching the web, and then it's going to hopefully give me some recent articles. Artificial intelligence and machine learning in genomics. Seems pretty legit. Let's test a few other ones. This one. AI in genomics seems to be in the future. I think they are still accepting papers. And I see some pretty recent papers as well. Overall, there are no hallucinations. All links are valid and they point to, I'd say, pretty recent articles. The next test would be image generation, which is based on the Flux One Pro model. I'm going to paste my prompt, which I have prepared earlier, and see how it performs. Before I start, I need to click on Canvas to make sure, or I should click on image generation and then give it a go. It's generating image, and I have this gorgeous looking cat reading a newspaper in Paris. So cinematic, teal and orange look, and I think it had all the characteristics that I asked for. Let's try again just for the fun of it. And this is a pretty cute cat, but I think I like the first one better. Yeah. So overall, I think Mixtral's Lucia is a very strong contender, especially that it's open source and mostly free for users, with pretty much no hallucinations, nice image generation, decent code generation, although it could be a little bit faster, but I think I'm pretty satisfied with it. And you have somewhere to go when you run out of those tokens on Claude or ChatGPT, right? If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.